Okay, we're ready.
Oh, God, what's happening?
Just focus on your breathing.
Wait.
You Tabitha? Come on.
I can't wait for this massage.
Oh my God, I'm so excited about the massage. It's been quite some time since I had one.
Something's going on here.
They're telling you to stop. What the hell?
I don't know what's... Hold on, ladies. Excuse me.
He's flagging you down.
Yes, sir.
Listen, man.
What?
I got a medical emergency.
Okay.
I need to use your car.
What?
The ambulance completely shut down.
Sir.
All right?
I can't give you this car, sir.
It's okay.
No,
Hold on,
ma'am,
wait a second.
just stay in the car
I
right
can't
now,
give you this
okay?
car. Listen.
It's all I
give
need
me
is
the car.
this,
Sir,
okay?
I can't
She's
give you
in
this
the-
car.
Sir, she's in
Yeah, give her.
Buddy, I can't give you my car.
Yes, you can. Please, help.
Hey, what are you doing? Where the hell is he going? What the hell?
Come back.
What is that?
Is he?
Wait. Whoa.
I just need to see the...
Go. I'm already. Go.
Wait a second. Wait.
I don't see the insurance. I don't see... All I got is owner... Hey, vehicle registration. Tabitha Wilson. Tabitha! Tabitha Wilson. That's the owner of the car.
Aren't you Tabitha?
Are you Tabitha
Are you
Wilson?
Tabitha Wilson? Aren't you Tabitha?
Are you...
Oh my God. I'm worried about that lady. I'm like, she's in labor. I don't care. I never even sat in one of these before. Wait till my mom sees it. Oh my gosh. It feels so good.